to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, if I had to talk about the American markets, well, in the Monday market was closed, but it made a huge price increasement happened over there, like 1%. But if you look at the Wednesday, today, it's still at the same price, even if it's a little bit lower. Well, why did this price increasement happen? Because the markets are believing just the war is going to be end, and America did not attack the Iran, which was expected in the market, which has not happened. And at the moment, for the American market, it is made a price increasement because of these circumstances. But I believe this is too much for the American market at the moment. As you can see through here, it hit to the top level for the markets through here, you can see it. But if I have to talk about the long term it's okay, but it's not a good word to buy. I'm talking about to buy in the March, which is in the 6,300 at that day, and at the moment it's already been up like 18%, almost 19%. So this is a huge price increasement. So for the S&P, I won't suggest it at the moment. Maybe going to be go below the 7,300. It's a sell-off, but I would suggest you to sell. The American market is good for the hold for the long term, but I do not suggest you to buy new at the moment. For the American 10 years, okay, the American 10 years is going down, but it's only because of the peace agreements, and I believe it will be go up eventually. And I want to take your attention for one thing. The market, American government bonds, 10-year bonds has been going down, but if you look at the S&P, it cannot be go up at the moment. Also with the gold, it cannot be go up. Also it broke the 4,500 level. If the American 10 years will be increased again and hit the 475 because of the inflation which is caused by the war and oil shock, this will be catastrophic for the gold, and I'm expecting another move for the 4,200 for the gold. So I do not suggest it at the moment. I do not suggest it silver either at the moment, because it will be down for the 62. Well, for the long term, gold is good, but not right now. I wouldn't suggest it. Also with the oil has been going down like 90. Talking about the crude oil, USOIL. I believe this is not a fair price for the oil. I believe the fair price for the oil is like the 90, 95 level or something like that, because there's a lot of destruction happened in the war. The reason for it, the oil prices will be stick to these levels for a couple of months and a couple of years. So I'm not suggesting. That's the reason American 10-year bonds are increasing, because it will be cause an inflation in the world. For the Bitcoin, I don't have any target for the Bitcoin. If it's going to be hold on in the 73.5, that's a good signal for Bitcoin, but we're expecting a downfall, rainfall for the Bitcoin at the moment. If it's going to be break the 73, it will be catastrophic. It will be eventually go back to the 65, and it will be once again try the $60,000 for the Bitcoin. For the XMR is holding strong, by the way, compared to the Bitcoin. The money is going inflow from the Bitcoin to the Monero at the moment, and that's the reason the Monero holding strong. And you can see over here this 372, this support level is really good, and it's made a rebound from here. So if it's going to be break the 415, eventually it will be go back to 460, and if it's going to be break it, we are going back to the 850 level. For the XMR, I believe it's a worth to buy Monero, by the way. At the moment, XMR is worth to buy. It's good. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.